In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. The earth was formless and empty, and darkness covered the surface of the deep. But the Spirit of God was hovering over the waters. Then God said, "Let there be light," and there was light. God saw that the light was good, and he separated the light from the darkness. Scene transitions show a brilliant burst of light filling the darkness, followed by the soft glow of sunrise and sunset. God called the light day, and the darkness he called night. And there was evening, and there was morning, the first day. On the second day, God said, "Let there be a vault to separate the waters above from the waters below." Clouds form above a shimmering ocean, and the bright blue sky emerges. And God called the vault sky. And there was evening, and there was morning, the second day. And vegetation. Day 3, land. Then God said, "Let the waters under the sky be gathered into one place, and let dry ground appear." And it was so. Mountains rise, rivers flow, and oceans form as lush green land appears. God called the dry ground land, and the gathered waters he called seas. And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let the land produce vegetation, plants and trees bearing fruit with seeds. Trees sprout, flowers bloom, and fruits grow on branches in colorful abundance." And God saw that it was good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the third day. And stars. Day 4. On the fourth day, God said, "Let there be lights in the vault of the sky to separate day from night." The sun appears in the sky, casting golden light over the earth. The moon and stars twinkle in a deep night sky. God made two great lights, the greater light to govern the day and the lesser light to govern the night. He also made the stars. And God saw that it was good. And there was evening, and there was morning, sea creatures and birds. Then God said, "Let the water steam with living creatures, and let birds fly across the sky. Fish of all shapes and sizes swim through the ocean, and colorful birds soar gracefully in the air." So God created the great sea creatures and every living thing that moves in the water, as well as every kind of bird. And God saw that it was good. And there was evening, and there was morning, the fifth day. Day 6. On the sixth day, animals God said, "Let the land produce living creatures, livestock, wild animals, and all creatures that move along the ground. Lions roar, sheep graze, and insects crawl across a vibrant landscape." And God saw that it was good. Then God said, "Let us make mankind in our image, to rule over the fish, the birds, and all the earth." God forms Adam from the dust of the ground and breathes life into him. Eve is created from Adam's side, and they stand together in the beautiful Garden of Eden. So God created mankind in his own image, male and female he created them. God blessed them and said, "Be fruitful and multiply. Fill the earth and rule over it." And God saw that it was very good. Day 7, God had finished his work, so he rested from all his creating. A peaceful sunset over the completed world, with Adam and Eve walking in the garden. God blessed the seventh day and made it holy, because on it he rested from all the work of creation. The earth in its beauty. And so, God created the heavens and the earth and all that is in them. From the vast galaxies to the tiniest flower, everything was made by his hand. And it was very good.